This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by mounting the macro lens securely, line up the notches, press until it clicks, and verify no wobble. Once done, set the camera to a stable capture mode. Use narrow field of view and 4:3 aspect ratio to maximize usable resolution. Make sure Protune is off or at minimal processing to preserve fine detail. You're preparing the system for close focus work. These steps reduce distortion and compression, so your subject textures and edges resolve sharply when you move in. Now you'll refine focus and exposure for true macro clarity. Move the lens to about 1 to 4 inches from the subject and use manual focus or tap to focus. Small movements change focus a lot at this scale. Lock exposure or dial down exposure by around 1/2 to 1 stop to avoid blown highlights, especially on reflective surfaces. Stabilize the GoPro on a tripod or small rig once stable. Make micro adjustments with the mount rather than your hands, because even minor shifts will alter composition and focus. Finish by capturing multiple frames. Use burst or short time-lapse to increase chances of a tack-sharp shot, then review and pick the best. Illuminate with diffused light or a small reflector to bring out textures without harsh specular highlights. This also helps the autofocus if used. If images look soft, troubleshoot. Confirm the exact working distance, wipe the macro lens, and turn off aggressive electronic stabilization. Those features can introduce blur at close range. Make adjustments, then reshoot immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.